Africa is home to one of the planet's most dramatic geological features, the East African Rift System. Stretching over 3,000 kilometers from Ethiopia to Mozambique, this vast network of valleys and volcanoes is slowly tearing the continent apart. The rift is not just a crack, it's the beginning of a new ocean, a process that has shaped continents for billions of years. Imagine a scar running down Africa's eastern side, growing wider every year. Here, the land is being pulled to its breaking point by forces deep within the earth. The rift's drama is visible: trembling ground, volcanic peaks like Kilimanjaro, and lakes teeming with life. These landscapes are the direct result of the immense strain on the African plate. The rift's unique geology influenced the evolution of our earliest ancestors. Today, we witness the next chapter in this epic story, a continent in the midst of transformation. The East African Rift is a living reminder that our world is always changing. To understand Africa's split, we must look beneath the surface. The Earth's crust is made of tectonic plates floating and shifting atop the mantle. The African plate is now breaking in two along the East African Rift. On one side is the Nubian Plate, on the other, the Somali Plate, moving apart at the pace of growing fingernails. This slow separation is driven by a mantle plume, a column of superheated rock rising from deep within the Earth. In Ethiopia's Afar region, three plates pull away from each other, creating intense volcanic activity. The Rift Valley's cliffs and fissures are evidence of the land stretching and breaking. This process is anything but gentle. Earthquakes and eruptions mark each step. Every tremor and eruption brings Africa closer to the birth of a new sea. The continent's transformation is underway, one small shift at a time. The rift's power is not just theory, it's visible in dramatic events. In 2005, Ethiopia's Afar desert split open. A 56-kilometer fissure appeared in just weeks, as earthquakes and eruptions tore the land apart. Magma surged up to form new crust, mirroring the process that creates ocean floors. Scientists flocked to study this unzipping of the Earth, a rare glimpse into the birth of an ocean basin. The rift widens every day, marked by constant geological activity. Volcanoes like Old Doinyo Lengai erupt unique lavas, revealing the deep forces at work. Earthquakes and shifting ground shape the lives of people and animals here. Roads crack, new hot springs appear, and sometimes entire communities must move. In 2018, a sudden fissure split a Kenyan road, forcing families to flee. These are not isolated incidents. They're part of the continent's ongoing division. Each event is a step toward the day when land will finally give way to sea. What's the rift's ultimate destiny? Fast forward millions of years, and Africa's transformation is complete. The Rift Valley will sink below sea level, and seawater will flood in, creating a new ocean. The Horn of Africa and parts of Kenya, Tanzania, and Mozambique will break away, forming a new island continent. This mirrors how South America and Africa once split, forming the Atlantic Ocean. New coastlines and marine ecosystems will emerge, reshaping the region's climate and wildlife. Animal migrations may vanish, replaced by new patterns in a changed world. Cities like Nairobi could one day become coastal ports. The region's political and economic map will be redrawn. Though this future is distant, the process is happening now. The East African Rift is a living force, reminding us of Earth's endless cycle of creation and renewal.